Look carefully at the code below. What will happen after you click Run? By the correct path going back and forth forever. The zombie will make it to the sunflower. The zombie will turn right on the first path and go around in circles forever. The zombie will be stuck at the end of the path for
brains.